Hi, thank you so much for clicking on my video. Wow, that means so much. My name is Tracy, and I'm here again with another acrylic pouring video. And I got this technique I'm going to use today off of Olga Sobi's channel. She is a very, very talented artist. This is called the butterfly chain pull technique. So let's get started. Thank you. Okay. I've already covered my base. I'm going to do one on blue and one on white, like the yin yang, just like she showed in her video. But I'm going to use my own colors. I hope that I can even draw a butterfly. Let's see. If this doesn't work, y'all, I'm turning this into a balloon kiss and a swipe. Okay, here we go. I'm so nervous. Oh my goodness, that doesn't look like a butterfly at all. Yes, we're gonna fix it. I'm gonna fix this. Scrape this off. This is the first time I'm scraping. Let's see. Let's add a little more white and cover this little spot up. Okay. Let's fix that. There we go. Fixed. You can't even make a butterfly. There we go. That's a little better. Okay, let's try this with the white. Ooh, I think I understand why now. My paint is too runny. My blue is just a little too runny. That's what it is. My blue is a little too runny. Oh, I really hope this turns out, y'all. I'm so excited. It's pretty already. Let's see. Do some hot pink. Please do not even ask me. Let's see. Oh, I know what this is. This is my acrylic ink. Let's make it on my... Yeah, this is the first time I'm ever working with this. I feel like it's a little too thin. But we'll see if it gets the job done. Whew, I'm getting into this. Standing up, y'all. Yeah, that was probably a little too thin. Oh, you know what? I have this new color. It is called, let's see, Antique Copper. And let me tell you something. It looks like, I don't know if you can see it, but it's more like purple. It is stunning. I absolutely love, love, love this color. Just a wee little bit. Oh, this color is stunning. I want to make it pop. And I think that this is called Blue Quartz. Oh, this is going to be so pretty. This is going to be so pretty. At least I hope it is. Please be pretty. Olga, if you're listening, you are so talented. What a wonderful artist you are. You inspired me to try this butterfly technique, and I don't even know how to make a butterfly. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see after we give it a little pull. I just feel like it needs to be brighter, like, like where's all my pinks? And here we go. It's like a neon yellow green. Let's try some of this. Just on the tips there. Okay. I'm coming in with my chains. Let's see. Ooh, I'm so nervous. Taking my time. Scared. I'm so scared. Okay, here we go. Pulling very, very slowly. I'm loving it. Oh my goodness, and I don't even know how to make a butterfly. Look how nice this, Olga, thank you. Oh my gosh, it's turning out so beautifully. Oh, it's wonderful. Do y'all see this? Oh, it's luscious. Oh my gosh, Olga. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, you guys, I'm in love with this. I hope this comes out. Oh, I just think this is absolutely stunning. Excuse me. Look at that green popping through. I am so glad I added that. Oh, that green is luscious. Oh, yes. Beautiful. Oh, I'm so happy. Oh, I'm so happy with this. Oh, come on, don't mess up now. Take your time, take your time. Take your time. Take your time, do it right. Oh, what a wonderful technique. Please look okay. Oh, this is absolutely beautiful. I could not be more impressed with this technique. I mean, this is just stunning. I don't have no other words. Wow, y'all. Last one. And then I can touch it up. Stunning, that's all I can say. Ooh, look at the pink in that one. Oh, look at it. Stunning. Oh, that is absolutely beautiful. Let's see. Okay, let's turn it so that you can see it. Mm. Okay. Let's get this finished project. Oh, I'm afraid to move them. Oh, this turned out so beautiful. Look at that, guys. What do you think? I don't really want to move them, but wow, look at that. When they're dry, I'll come back and show you the finished results. Oh, I'm thrilled with these. Thank you so much for watching. Please click the like button. Please subscribe as I am, here, let's see, so you can see me. I'm new to YouTube, so please click the like button. Please subscribe so that I can get some viewers and maybe you can walk this art journey with me. Thank you so much for watching. Yes, I'm so thrilled with this. Ah, thank you. One more time. Oh, it's so pretty, guys. I'll be back to show you the dried results. Thank you.